Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel.
This is day 2. Today, we will talk about daily routines and simple everyday life.
Listen carefully and repeat after us if you want.
Let's begin.
Good morning, Max.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, but a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I went to bed late last night,
Oh, I see. What time did you go to sleep?
at 12 o'clock,
That is late. What time did you wake up?
at 7 in the morning.
Do you feel sleepy now?
Yes, a little.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, I agree.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I check my phone.
I try not to check my phone
Why?
because it makes me stressed.
That's true. Sometimes I feel stressed too.
I wake up, stretch, and drink water.
That sounds good.
Then I make my bed.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
I don't do that every day.
You should try. It feels nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs or oatmeal.
That is healthy.
What about you?
I eat yogurt and fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 cup.
I drink 2 cups.
That's okay. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, at home.
Me too. It is cheaper and better.
Yes, I agree.
What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for work.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
Do you like driving?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Because of traffic?
Yes, traffic is bad in the morning.
What do you do at work first?
I check emails.
Do you make a plan for the day?
Yes, I make a to-do list.
That is a good habit.
It helps me focus.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, small breaks.
What do you do during breaks?
I walk or stretch.
That is good for your body.
Yes.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat chicken, rice, or salad.
Do you eat alone?
No, with my coworkers.
That is nice. How do you feel in the afternoon?
I feel tired.
Me too.
I drink water or tea.
Do you drink coffee?
No, not in the afternoon.
That is good for sleep. What time do you finish work?
At 6 o'clock.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you exercise?
Yes, 3 times a week.
That's great. What do you do in the evening?
I have dinner with my family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like evenings.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
Do you read books?
Yes, before sleep.
That is a good habit. What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
That is good.
I want to sleep earlier.
Small changes help.
It was nice talking to you, Emma.
Nice talking to you too, Max.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you for listening.
If you like this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to our channel for daily English practice.
See you in day 3.
Bye-bye.